Buongiorno, buonasera, good day or good evening. This is Larry Aiello. I am here in Medellin, Colombia, in Plaza Botero section of town, downtown. Beautiful park here, a lot of bronze statues. Beautiful cathedral there, looks like. Some greenery. It's hustling and bustling place here in Medellin. So I want to go over a little custom, a little nuance of the language that I just came across regarding Spanish, and I'll tell you how it ties into Italian. So the word for "you are welcome," if you were to look it up in a Spanish dictionary, would be de nada. De nada, so gracias would be the word for thank you, and de nada would be the word for "you are welcome." And there's little different nuances in usage that are used to express that sentiment. So person A will typically buy something or does something, and we'll say gracias, and person B will reply de nada. Over here in Colombia, I haven't heard the word de nada used not even one time in all my interactions here, and I've been here a few days. What I hear is I'll respond in using the word gracias, thank you, and they all say con gusto, with pleasure, or con mucho gusto, with much pleasure. So it's a little different nuance, different usage in the use of the word. It means you're welcome, but not literally, but it's used as in you are welcome. So, and in English, in America, we have the same thing. We might say, thank you. Person A says thank you. Person B will say no problem, or no, don't worry about it. Something along those lines to imply you're welcome, but not literally meaning you're welcome. So in Italian, the word for you're welcome is prego. P-R-E-G-O, prego, like the spaghetti sauce that is sold here in the United States. Prego means you are welcome. It's also used to, if someone's trying to get by you, you can say prego. Person A and B are stuck in an airplane aisle, and person A allows person B to get by. Person A can say prego, like you are welcome to pass by. There's another little variation in the interaction between person A and B, where A says grazie, thank you, and person B will say prego, you're welcome. A lot of times though, what you will hear in Italy all over is they will say a lei. So the interaction will be person A says grazie, person B will say a lei, which literally means to you. So they are saying, in essence, they're saying, person A is saying thank you, and person B is saying a lei to you. Technically, he's saying no, thank you. Person A says thank you. Person B says no, thank you. I want to thank you. I'm thanking you, and that's where the a lei comes in. It's a thanks to you. So a lei means to you. So when you hear that after an interaction, grazie, a lei, they're saying, no, I'm thanking you, a lei, thank you, person A, and person B will say, no, thank you, I'm giving thanks back to you. It's like a back at you, a lei, okay? And then in Milan, another little nuance that I heard was grazie caro, thank you dear. Used between men. I don't know if it was used between women at all, if you could say grazie cara, but grazie caro is an implication for thank you dear. And a little nuance I heard in Milan. Okay everyone, this is Larry Aiello. If you want to learn more Italian, just click on the link below. You can also like and subscribe on this channel. Would appreciate it. And there's links to my other courses as well. All right everyone, have a great day. Ciao, ciao.